Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the mobile data isn't working on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. First of all, try refreshing your network connections by enabling and disabling airplane mode on your smartphone. Then check your mobile data once again, and if it's still unresponsive, go to mobile network and make sure that your phone recognizes your SIM card. And if you can see it right here, that means that shouldn't be an issue. But if you don't, or if you want to double check, we can replace or reposition the SIM card into another slot, for example. So locate your SIM card tray on the left edge of your smartphone, grab a pin like tool and carefully insert it into the pinhole next to your SIM card tray. Carefully eject it from the phone. Okay, and as you can see right now, my SIM card is placed into the first slot, but we can reposition it into the second one, which won't make any technical difference, but maybe this way your SIM card will be recognized better, or at least you'll know whether or not your smartphone actually reads the position of your SIM card good. So so let's reinsert the SIM card into the phone. Let's go to settings, and as you can see, the SIM card has changed its position. That means that the smartphone reads SIM card pretty well. Make sure that mobile data is enabled for the SIM card. Now, let's go to mobile data settings. I mean, if this didn't help you, and here go to access point names and reset apps access point names to default by tapping this three-dot icon, selecting reset to default. Now, before doing that, if you've set up your APN manually in this menu according to your carrier's instructions, then you're gonna have to do this once again after resetting them, and then check your mobile data afterwards. And then we can also simply restart the phone to clear temporary cache by holding down the power button for a while and selecting the restart option, then confirming, and then wait until your phone is restarted. Once your phone is restarted, check your mobile data connection once again, and if it hasn't improved, then as last resort we can reset our network settings. To do that, go to System, in Settings, go to Reset Options, reset Network Settings, then confirm, and this will only affect your mobile data. And after that, your signal should return back to normal. If not, then contact your mobile data carrier to verify your data plan. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.